We are going to fix a breakfast, keto friendly, using avocados, eggs, and cheese and salsa, or anything like that that you want. So we'll have to see how these turn out, and I'll let you know right away. Okay, I'm going to break this egg. And then I will separate the yolk into the avocado. I'm removing some of the avocado like it says to make room for the egg. You fill the yolk in there, and then you add a little, whatever you can of the white before you bake it. Alrighty, I'm putting the egg, baked egg, in the avocado on a plate. And then I'm going to top it with cheese, bacon, and cut up the bacon. And some salsa. Throw a little more bacon on there. Now we have to taste it and see what it tastes like.